after the 3 years, it's the first time that we are having the physical kind of interactions with all the industry people in manufacturing side. So I would say very good in terms of organizing and the type of connection we have here, and the type of discussion, or the level of discussions we are having, the all the top seniors from the manufacturing sites. So I would rate it's like 7 out of 10 for this event today. I guess it's a wonderful because the speed event, like exchanging the cards in between the sessions, that was a fantastic because we attended so many events, but it's really hard to exchange the cards when it is a one day event, because it's a whole day dedicated only for the, you can say, the presentations and the panel discussions, and you'll hardly get a time to share the cards, and so it's a very good to connect, to have one-on-one discussion and sharing the cards with the all the dignitaries.